I'm Julie Ireland. I have been challenged to design a luau tablescape. No luau would be complete without a coconut. So my friend Coco Vinny created this product called Coco Taps, and it's to tap a coconut. So what you do is you're just gonna put this on the coconut and you're gonna just go back and forth. Oh my gosh, it's actually easier than I thought. Here we go. And presto, you've got a tapped coconut. So now we need to make this super cute and dress it for the luau. I'm gonna use a piece of paper and a pencil, and I'm just gonna draw, like you see here, like a little bikini. What I did was I bought large grass skirts from Party City. All you do is you lay the grass skirt around to measure the circumference that you need, and you're just gonna cut it and then you're gonna trim it. That's it. That's it. It's that simple. How adorable.